welcome to Islands of Fun. It's your boy Joel. Today we're in Longdenville. We are going to Northeast Tunnel in Tabaco. But we just stopped to get some doubles and mics for hot doubles and pies. So stay tuned.
That's mine, right? Oh, that's yours. Yeah.
Last doubles video I did, my mother-in-law was deciding to not how to eat the doubles, so now I'm showing you how to eat the doubles. What we have in here, chardonnay, sweet sauce, chana, and bara.
Tastes good. Yeah, it tastes good. Yeah. It's too good to talk, right? Thanks for giving you a thumbs up, man. Huh? For giving you a thumbs up. It tastes good. It tastes good. You're welcome. You had messy, damn.
Yep.
That's what it's about, right? If you had it messy in the bed, doubles, man.
Yeah.
Say it again, say it. You can edit it out.
If you have not messy, you would buy the doubles, man. All in all, Mike's doubles is very tasty.
Was the bomb, yeah.
Doubles, that's right.
Yeah, so check out his number. Give him a call. You're getting 2 thumbs up. Mike's for hot doubles and pies. Yes, Mike. You take another one, right? Oh, that's yours. So,
Yours in the bottom?
yeah.
Alright guys, thank you for watching once again. As you can see, I have a doubles package here in the paper to do. And we also bought solo. I don't know, I tell people solo still tastes the same way from many years ago. Thank you for watching once again. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And for those of you who are constant followers, you know what to do. Smash the thumbs up button and leave a comment. Bye!